Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you iPhone settings to make your battery last longer. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To optimize your iPhone settings and extend battery life, consider the following recommendations. So first, go to Settings, then lower the screen brightness or enable auto brightness and display and brightness. Now, activate low power mode from Settings, Battery. This mode conserves battery by adjusting various settings. Now, keep your iPhone's operating system up to date by installing the latest iOS updates from Settings, General, Software Update, then tap the Download and Install. Now, disable background app refresh for apps that don't require constant updates. You can do this in Settings, General, Background app refresh, then choose Off. Now, limit or disable location services. For apps that don't need them, adjust these settings in Settings, Privacy, Location Services, then tap on Turn Off. Now, shorten the auto lock duration to have your iPhone screen turn off more quickly. Adjust these settings in Settings, Display and Brightness, Auto Lock, then choose a duration where you want to lock your phone automatically. Another tip, use static or stills wallpapers instead of dynamic or live wallpapers in Settings, then Wallpaper. Another tip, limit unnecessary notifications in Settings, Notifications, then just disable notifications in the chosen app and notification style. Now, disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use to conserve battery. Toggle these settings in the Control Center or Settings. Another tip, enable automatic app updates in Settings, App Store to ensure apps are using the latest optimizations. So to do this, go to General, then hit Software Update, go to Automatic Updates, then toggle this on. Now, review and disable unnecessary system services under Settings, Privacy, Location Services. Scroll down, then hit System Services and disable the unnecessary system services. Now, reduce motion effects and transparency in Settings, Accessibility, Motion, then toggle Reduce Motion. By implementing these settings adjustments, you can optimize your iPhone's battery and make it last longer between charges. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.